Hello, welcome to the Paper Snob. This is Tara. Today I am sharing my kit for how to kill a kit with style and Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog. Those are two different things, but I'm using one kit for the month of January, and for Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog, I am on mini kit duty this month. That just means that I take inspiration from the kit that was chosen by Master Forger Vicky, and I make a mini kit. Now, if you are new here, me and mini kits, wow, I don't do well with making mini. This is a mini kit for me, and if you want to go back and look at my blog at some point, you can see in the past there have been times when I've had up to 50 sheets of paper in my kit. So this is a mini kit, and there aren't as many papers or embellishments or things in this kit. Now, Master Forger Vicky chose Curiosities in Willow Grove by 49 and Market for us to counterfeit from our stash. She had one rule: we cannot use any of that collection, and I didn't. So I knew when she said that she was going to have us counterfeiting that kit for sure that I wanted to pull papers from Storyteller, and most of these are from Storyteller. So let's take a flip through my papers, and yes, this is all Vicky Booten's stash. This piece here is from one of Vicky's earliest collections called Color Kaleidoscope. This paper was in 2018. I love this side, and yours truly bought a pack of 25 of these at Tuesday Morning back when they were in business. So I have plenty of these to play with. This piece here is from Storytellers as well. I have a scrap in here of it too. So this side is the leafy side, and this side is the text side. And I put the 12 by 12 paper in here for the text side and the scrap in here for the leafy side. We'll see if I actually use it in that way. This is a very pretty wave paper. I really like this. Love the subtle mixed media on it, and I love how that looks. This is just kind of a piece of paper with strips, kind of like if you made a collage on a single piece of paper with branding strips, and maybe that will be a great prompt for strip tees in the future. So this is from Storyteller, of course, and this one's called Assemblage, and this side, of course, has the circles, and then this side is the beautiful purple, and it kind of looks like denim or twill, if you would rather say that. And I put it in here for this side. This paper, I love the quatrefoil on it. It's ombre in color. It starts out light at the top and goes dark at the bottom. It's just stunning. But I actually put it in here for this paper because this reminds me of Curiosities in Willow Grove the most, and it's why I chose Storyteller, was this piece of paper in particular. This piece of paper I chose for fussy cutting. This is another text piece, and it has that beautiful star side. It's called Stardust, also from Storyteller. This one has a beautiful turquoise mixed media background with some beautiful chevrons on the back. Love that. And then this piece has that tone-on-tone dot with mixed media on one side and gorgeous butterflies on the other. So I like both sides of that, so we'll see how I do. Those are all of my papers. I put in Storyteller Ephemera. No, this has not been opened. It has quite a few pieces. It's got leafy bits and some titles and some other icons in there. Very fun. This one is from, I think it's from Color Kaleidoscope, but I'm not positive. It doesn't say. It's 2018, and that's what I said that piece of paper from Color Kaleidoscope came from. But this has frames and stuff for tucking and journaling, labels, a few titles, and a few pieces of florally embellishments, some stamps and stuff like that in there. It's kind of fun. This is one of Vicky's American Crafts thicker packs. I think this was one that she came out with, that mixed media collection that she came out right before Joann's closed. This is Storyteller chipboard, the Thickers chipboard. Got tickets and just all kinds of fun stuff in here. This is the Storyteller puffies, the Thickers puffies. Lots of different titles to choose from. This is the Storyteller sticker book. And I am not worried about using this entire kit, and specifically the embellishments, because I still have more Storyteller to use. So those can just go back into my stash for those papers. This is from the Vicki Boutin Art for Everyone. It's that mixed media titles. And I've used a couple of these already. I think there's only a few, I think there's only 4 left in here. Maybe there's 5. You can paint those. Those are fun to play with. And then I believe these are also from Color Kaleidoscope 2018, so possibly. And they are puffy stickers. They kind of look like flare, but they're fun. So that is my kit for the month. I will come back with my projects later, and we'll share those as well. So here are the leafy bits that I forgot to add to my kit, and then here are the fussy cutting bits that I did as well. Okay, so I was hoping to get more than a 2-page layout done with this kit before I ended this video, but I did this 2-page kit while I was on the phone with my sister on Sunday, and I'm just going to share it with you. This is a 2-page layout of a little field trip I took with my remaining 2 homeschool students in 2017. We went to a local pottery shop where we were allowed to pick out an item, paint it, and then they glazed it and stuck it in the kiln or baked it or whatever it is they call that. And then later on we went and picked it up. So this is the 2-page layout that I did. I used the fussy cut leaves and a couple butterflies that I fussy cut from 2 of those pieces of paper. Got those on here. I used another full sheet of this paper minus about 2 inches. And then this is 4 inches of another sheet, the sheet with waves on one side. So I did all of that. I've got all of these photos on here, pulled some ephemera from my ephemera pack, some chipboard pieces, some puffy stuff here and here, more chipboard pieces. All in all, it's a fairly simple layout, but I'm quite pleased with it. It makes a 2-page layout that I needed to get done, finished. And then I will share more layouts with this kit as this month progresses. I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day and a good week. Bye.